Distracted drivers also face significant financial consequences, including fines, increased insurance premiums, legal costs, and potential loss of income. In Florida, where distracted driving laws are strict, these penalties can have a lasting impact on a driver's life. In Florida, texting while driving is a primary offense under the Wireless Communications While Driving Law, Section 316.305, Florida statutes. A first offense carries a base fine of $30, plus court costs, while a second offense or violations in school or work zones can result in a $60 base fine, 3 points on the driver's license and court fees. Increased insurance premiums. A distracted driving violation, such as cell phone use, can increase car insurance premiums by 21.56% on average in 2024. For a $1,500 annual premium, this equates to an increase of about $323 per year. Legal costs. If a distracted driver causes a serious crash, they may face civil lawsuits from victims. Legal costs, including attorney fees and settlements, can reach tens of thousands of dollars. In extreme cases, like the Gregory Andriotis crash in Florida, drivers may face criminal charges, leading to higher fines and potential jail time. Andriotis, convicted of vehicular homicide, faced a 30-year prison sentence and significant legal costs, in addition to financial liability for damages to victims. Loss of income. Drivers who rely on driving for work, such as truck drivers or delivery workers, may lose their license due to accumulated points or criminal penalties, resulting in lost income. A 60-day license suspension in Florida could cost a professional driver thousands of dollars in lost wages. Social costs. Distracted drivers who cause crashes may face guilt and remorse, leading to mental health expenses, such as therapy, similar to those of victims. The economic impact of distracted driving extends beyond individual victims and drivers, affecting society as a whole. In the U.S., distracted driving crashes generate billions of dollars in costs annually, impacting taxpayers, insurers, and communities. National societal cost. According to a 2010 NHTSA report, distracted driving crashes generated $129 billion in societal costs, including productivity losses, property damage, medical and legal costs, and congestion costs. With nearly 300 deaths and 56,000 distracted driving crashes in Florida in 2020, economic costs include emergency response expenses, infrastructure repairs, and productivity losses due to injuries and deaths. Distracted driving crashes increase insurance premiums for all drivers, as insurers adjust rates to cover heightened risk. In 2022, distraction-related crashes accounted for an estimated $10 billion in economic damages nationwide. Take a moment to reflect on how the financial costs of distracted driving affect your life. As a potential victim, you could face overwhelming medical bills and lost income. As a driver, a single distraction could result in fines, higher insurance premiums, or even the loss of your livelihood. In Florida, where 1 in 7 crashes involves a distracted driver, these consequences are a daily reality. Here are some simple things you can start doing today to stop distracted driving. Put your phone away. Place your phone out of reach or use Do Not Disturb mode while driving. Plan ahead. Set up navigation, music, and temperature controls before starting to drive. Avoid multitasking. Focus solely on driving, avoiding eating, grooming, or interacting with passengers. Use hands-free technology. If you must use your phone, opt for hands-free systems, though even these can be distracting. Educate others. Sign a pledge to drive distraction-free and encourage friends and family to do the same. As you reflect on the financial and personal consequences of distracted driving, consider the biblical call to stewardship and care for others. The Bible emphasizes the importance of being mindful and responsible in our actions, as they affect not only ourselves but also those around us. Distracted driving, which can lead to devastating financial and emotional costs, contradicts the principle of loving and protecting our neighbors. In Proverbs 22 verse 3 we read, "A prudent man foreseeth the evil and hideth himself, but the simple pass on and are punished." This verse reminds us to anticipate dangers and act wisely to avoid harm. When you drive distracted, you risk not only your own safety but also the well-being of others, leading to consequences like the $129 billion in societal costs or the 300 deaths in Florida in 2023 from distracted driving crashes. By choosing to focus on the road, you exercise prudence, protecting yourself and others from financial ruin and loss. Take a moment to consider how your driving habits align with the biblical call to be prudent and responsible. How can you honor God by ensuring your actions behind the wheel reflect care for your neighbors, avoiding the financial and emotional burdens caused by distracted driving?